Hi everyone, I'm Bill Dropless, the host of the Amfish Video and Fishing Blog. Welcome back. I'm jumping into a little bit of my positivity blogging here. I'm going to do a quick little video on a day that is Friday, actually, Friday, October 26th, here in Toronto, and I should have been working today. Didn't go to work because I actually quit my job yesterday. I was in a position with a company for several years, was unhappy, didn't like what was happening there for myself, limited opportunities. So did a little digging, applied to a company I actually wanted to work for several years ago. They had a position open, landed a new job after a couple of interviews, and I was able to come out here on a Friday. Fall, it was supposed to be cold, but it was 20 degrees, so about 70 degrees or so here. And again, the point of this blog is don't be unhappy for too long. We tend to be able to sabotage our lives a lot just by complaining and complaining. If you really want out of something, you will find a way out of something. I stuck to my job. I thought things would change. I gave it a chance. I went in, worked extremely hard, but it got to the point where it was just too much for me. Physically, mentally, I could not go into that facility anymore. So I ended up quitting my job. I'm not telling you to all run out and quit your jobs just because one aspect of it sucks. The key is don't be unhappy for too long. Life is far too short to be unhappy repeatedly, month after month. If you're in a situation and it's not going to change and you don't see a light of it changing, find a way to change it and get it done. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.